How would you like to look at that view every day right here in Fiji? You can own your own business and be right there. And in fact, my office is just below you, so you know you have great neighbors. Walk with me here, and we're going to show you this incredible opportunity for you to set up your business at Port Denarau Marina, 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport. You see all the boat charters, fishing boats, inter-island transfers to all the Mamanutha, Isawa Islands. Everything is literally right here. Restaurants, retail shopping, and you can set up your business right here in the upper floor of Port Denarau Marina with all the A-plus, super exclusive, the who's who has offices here, and you can be part of that as well. So this is basically ready to go. It's fitted out. All you need is yourself and maybe a few employees. It'd be great. You could hire some local Fijians to help you out. Boardrooms set up. You have, of course, your canister air conditioners in the ceilings there, which will keep things nice and cool. And this is just a great chance for you to come in and modernize this, turnkey it, whatever you want to do to it, to make it special, to make it your own. Lots of potential, and that's what you want. You want to be somewhere where your business is going to be seen by as many people as possible, and this is the place. Port Denarau Marina. You can go to denaraumarina.com to learn more about the marina itself. If you're a yachty, a fisherman, if you love going out to cloud break and doing some world-class surfing, all this is literally within a half hour away, and you can see those beautiful mountain views there in the background. Just stunning. So again, professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 to get all the details about this property that we do have for sale. Second level, Port Denarau Marina, main island of VT Levu. I mean, if you want eyeballs, if you want the maximum exposure in Fiji, I'm telling you, this is why we put our office here, because nothing beats this place, let me tell you. And of course, you have these gorgeous views, really wonderful nightlife. Cardo's restaurant is just down there. Hard Rock Cafe used to be here. They're going to be putting in a new Mexican food cantina. There's some law offices here and to the left. They do a lot of shows at night just down there in the main area. Big car park, so plenty of parking. Lots of, again, retail, restaurants, money exchange, banking services. Everything is right here, and you can find yourself right there on that list of people here at the port. So we look forward to hearing from you soon. And if you're envisioning opening up a business in Fiji, look no further. This is all yours, just waiting for you to get here. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Manaka.